Namaste, my beloveds. I am with this beautiful angel soul, Dr. Krishna Talavane. It's an honor to be with you, sir. Thank you for your time. And as you must have seen some of my posts and some of the previous videos of me having stayed in this wonderful property that Talavane sir has created with so much love and passion, you have to come visit this place to know what I am talking about. It's called IVAC, IVAC, which is Indus Valley Ayurvedic Center. And he got this inspiration when he was 10 years of age. However, life took him towards the allopathy, the paths of applying medicine, and he got into the depths of it with his guru's blessings at the age of 10, and he made it big in America. Post that, his calling was to come back here and spread the knowledge, the wisdom of Ayurveda and blend the two sciences together. And that is a gift that he is bringing forth to us. This property is excellent. I've been staying here for the last 7 nights and doing lots of therapies, and it's just amazing. And spiritually aligning, goes well with the yoga practices, deepens your understanding of yourself, and live a very, very happy life. So thank you so much, doctor, for doing this. I would like to ask you, one, how do you see yourself expanding from what you have created so far? And it's so beautiful and huge that you've created.
See, we have created a small prototype of what we want to do in the future. We have initially strengthened the pillar of this whole enterprise by training the therapists. So that was our main strength, I must say. So it took a while for us to hash out the complete curriculum and the method of training the therapists, and we were able to do that. And that has been really the fulcrum of our success here.
I agree.
Yeah. And of course, bringing the knowledge of modern medicine while our doctors are practicing Ayurveda, and to blend it at certain point in time, so that it really makes a wonderful approach to the healing. It has, allopathy also has got a lot of things to contribute. And not only that, there is no such thing as pure practice of modern medicine or pure practice of Ayurveda. Everybody almost you meet here, they are already taking some allopathic medications. So that we have to be aware of what kind of medication they are taking, how it would interact with the Ayurvedic treatments and all. So in that way, we've been very lucky to have a very holistic approach to the health issues.
And do you see any upcoming health issues or current health issues that need to be addressed?
So one of the most difficult health issue for youngsters and new gen, or even for anybody, as a cultural thing to address is sexual wellness. This has the modern the IT industry and a lot of screen time, social media, all these things. It is affecting the generation in a very detrimental way. There are lots and lots of youngsters under 30, they are having erectile disorders. Women are getting menopause in their 30s. There is a huge problem in conceiving, so there is an in vitro fertilization, fertility problem. It's a huge problem. I was not really aware of that until very recently. We just had one talk by a sexologist in our center in Bangalore. One lecture produced almost 90 inquiries in 1 week. Most of them are under 30, 40 years of age. And people don't want to discuss these issues. It's kind of very personal. So a lot of them don't even want to, the family know, things like that. There are so many issues are there. And this is also leading to a lot of unhappy marriages, divorces, adultery, all these things are in the rise. So this is the root cause that I wanted to address the sexual wellness, because there are very good approaches to educate the people and try to help these people. So my mind is in the recent past, just about a month or two ago, I got all these kind of statistics and what is going on in the society. So I'm just thinking of putting Ayurveda clinics along with the sexual wellness and combining the allopathic part to it. So between allopathy and Ayurveda, you can give a very, very good result under the circumstances. Yeah.
And what are the other forms of diseases that can be cured through Ayurveda?
Almost every type of disease, there is a treatment. I don't know whether you can call it as a cure, because in the medical field, we don't use the word cure. We treat and God cures. So that's how, just like you go to a lawyer, nobody will promise what the judgment is going to be, right?
Yeah.
It's the same way in the medical field also. So as far as the treatments are concerned, almost every kind of disease can be treated. But when it goes out of control, like for example, people are living longer, they may need a joint replacement, they may need a heart surgery, or somebody getting involved in an accident, trauma surgery, and also lab diagnostics. All these are a wonderful tool for us to adopt in Ayurveda also, because all these can be, the new language can be given. The Ayurveda language can be given to a lot of the issues we find out in the modern medicine. So it is like, you can't live without the modern medicine. But at the same time, modern medicine also has to discover the use of Ayurveda, especially in the preventive, at the preventive level. People don't normally have to go to tertiary care of the modern medicine. Most of it can be addressed, and it can be treated with the lifestyle adaptation, yoga, and some Ayurvedic medications and all that. Most of it can be kept under control. But there is a point where allopathy has to intervene also.
So talking about how we can intervene right at the beginning and treat ourselves in a holistic fashion is very close to my heart.
Yeah.
And which is where I request our viewers to take the lead and create a space in your city where you can bring this knowledge, this wisdom this man has invested so many of his years into, and make it available to our brothers and sisters. So
yeah, we can actually start these wellness clinics in the cities. We don't need a whole lot of space, maybe 1,500 square feet. Probably it requires, depending on where we do and what part of the city or which city. And I would say in a tier 1 cities, probably 2 to 3 crores are required because of the expensive equipments we need. And then next interior has to be made. And in India we have to give a 10-month rental advance. That is a big amount. So like this, if we have that, we can bring this wonderful knowledge for the public, where they are very hesitant to express their problems. But once it is available and it is very confidential, people can really take a lot of benefit out of this, and a lot of problems of the society can be resolved also.
Perfect. Yeah. And these 2 to 3 crores would be how many in dollar?
Yeah, it's about $120,000.
$120,000 investment in the property, in the equipment, the infrastructure, the interiors, and sir will be catering to the training, the designing of the services, the software part of it will be...
No, this is 1 crore is $120,000. We talked about up to 3 crore.
Oh, yes.
So 360,000.
$360,000. Yes, that's right. Thank you for correcting me. This is important information because people need to be
critical.
willing to. Yes, it's a very critical information. It's a very sound investment, and as Sir and I were discussing before this, that it's a passion project. If you are in it soulfully, the money just flows in, just like it is his experience.
I always looked at the money like this in my life.
Yeah.
You do the good thing.
Yeah.
Money should come as a byproduct.
Yeah.
Not chase the lion. Yeah. Chase the quality, chase the service, and what contribution you can do to this.
Right.
Because this industry is not like the IT industry, where we can become a unicorn in no time and make a lot of money. It's very fast moving. You start something, you merge or you sell, all kinds of things. You make a lot of money. But in the medical field, it is not like that. It is more service oriented. There has to be a lot of passion. Of course, money will be there. It is not like you'll be doing without looking into the business sense.
Yeah.
It is okay, but it is good.
Yeah. So wonderful. The thought, the heart, the feelings behind it are so noble, and he's doing fantastic for himself with this way of living, and I know we all can. Hence, my humble request to you all is to take this up, and we'll see how we can collaborate and take this to the world.
Thank you.
As your goodbye note, anything that you would like to say to the viewers, tell them your words of wisdom, your experience.
The medicine is changing very rapidly, especially with the artificial intelligence coming in. Of course, the sky is the limit, basically. It's going to be a tremendous transformation in the way the health is being delivered in the next 5 to 10 years. It would be very, very beautiful and amazing to see that a lot of new medicines are going to come. There are in the quantum computing and all this. It's just the transformation, what is taking place is mind-boggling. So if anybody asks you, what is it going to be 5 years, 10 years down the line, you say, well, I can only talk for the next 2 years. That's how fast the things are changing. Yeah. But it is going to be good. It's going to be good, I think. Yeah. Yeah, definitely.
That last note, I must tell you that your products are just fantastic. So you must check out the medicated oils, the ones for the hair, the body, everything is just amazingly put together by Sir. And we must take this to the world.
Yeah, very soon we're going to be releasing some new products, which are going to be very, very superb products for some of the health issues where there's really no real good cure or the relief, which we will be releasing very soon. I'll let you know. Once it comes to the market, I'll let you know.
Yes, the shampoos and the oils here are just fantastic. I just feel the difference, I see the difference, and looking forward to it. Thank you so much for your time.
Thank you.
Thank
Thank
you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Bless you with a very, very long, healthy life.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah.